Hey explorers, Cleta Explorer here, and today I'm taking you to the Jollof Festival located at the Westside Motor Lounge. I believe that's the name. It's a pretty newer place. I've seen it there for a few years, driven past down Donald Lee, or formerly known as Bankhead Highway, never stopped. But anyway, so we're gonna go there, and it's going to be a competition of the Jollof rice from 5 different countries in Africa. So if you didn't know, Jollof rice is originally from the Senegambia region of Africa, so West Africa, and it is a rice recipe, but every country has their own flavor and things that go into jollof. I have had jollof before from Nigeria and Ghana, so I'll be interested in trying the other recipes today at the Jollof Festival. So let's head to the car and head to the Westside Motor Lounge. But before we do, please make sure you hit the like button and the notification bell. It is free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's head to the Jollof Festival. My friend Stephanie and I, we arrived at the Westside Motor Lounge. We scanned our tickets and we went in and checked out some of the vendors that were right outside up on entry. After checking out the vendors, we took our tickets inside to actually get our jollof samples so we can taste them and then actually vote on our favorite jollof rice once we finish the tasting. So let's get our rice. Okay. Wait, what is this one? Doesn't have a. How are you supposed to remember? I know, like, how are you supposed to remember this? This is the green one.
It's gonna show up as yellow when you vote for it. Everything else.
Okay, buddy.
Color coded by the cups. This is the only one that's gonna be.
Oh, okay. Okay, that one's only one. Okay.
You saw this QR code.
And of course they had special cocktails available. I tried the Kentucky Mule, which was delicious, but you could also go inside to the bar and get whatever type of drink you wanted. But now let's try out these 5 different samples of jollof rice.
Jollof Festival. There's a celebration of Africans. We shout to all my Africans. Say, where we at? Everybody, let's win this one. Give me this one. Let's win this one. Give me this one.
I had the opportunity to try not only the jollof rice, which was amazing. I got to try different cuisines from Ghana.
I like that.
What is he talking
So you don't know what it's jollof rice. So you don't know what it's called. Okay. Okay. So what are you gonna rate it out of 10?
So I'm gonna give it a 4. Agree with the young man. I like the smaller grain of rice. So the texture is good, but the taste just needs something more.
Okay.
4 out of 10. Okay.
I had that one before. It was really
good. I ate the whole bowl, and another one. So it's a solid 9. The spice comes really, it comes
Really?
late, and it stays.
I'll give it a 10.
Okay.
Why are you happy? You don't even know what country. So we are going to do the tally real quick. 50% here, 50% of the votes. Someone is going to take this trophy home today. The Jollof trophy is right here. Okay, someone is going to take it home. So we'll get some music. The Jollof Electoral Commission is going to work on the numbers. Alright, so real quick. There are 5 countries competing today: Ghana, Nigeria, Liberia, Senegal, and Sierra Leone. Okay, the 5th country had 22 points, that was colored green. The 4th country had 36 points, that was the white stripe one. The 3rd country had 40 points, that was the black one. And then the 2nd country had 50 points, that was the red one. 1st country had 90 points, that was blue.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Atlanta Jollof Festival 2024, 5th country, color green, Sierra Leone. 5th country, that was the 5th. Alright, it's all good. Sometimes you all get excited a little early, it's all good. Alright, the 4th country, white striped, that was Senegal. We gotta lay the facts straight. Jollof rice came from the Senegambia region. Alright? So we, mad respect to our Gambian cousins and our Senegalese cousins, because we are not even trying to share y'all. The dish is delicious, and others have just taken it and put their spin on it. So no disrespect, it's all love. So Ghana, 3rd, black one. Yo, Ghana, we gotta step it up, cuz. Come on, man. We lost in Oakland, we lost in LA. Come on, man. It's all good. It's all good, though. One thing about the Black Stars, we always bounce back. We'll be back, Atlanta, we'll be back. All right? 2nd is the red country. Okay, 2nd is red, and that's Liberia. So ladies and gentlemen, the official winners, Jollof Festival, Atlanta 2024.
So, what did you think of the Jollof Festival?
It was a great experience. I've never had it before, so it was good to try the different countries. We were a little confused on what country was which, but
So confused.
It was a great experience. And now we're gonna leave before we can't get our car.
Facts, because they said the parking lot closed at 7:25. I thought it was 7:30, but now it's 7:25.
That's true.
So I ain't trying to see. I'm about to be like, you about to be like these people coming right on out this parking garage and leave. But yeah, it was a good time. I love jollof rice, but I thought the blue cup was Sierra Leone, and then it wasn't Sierra Leone. But Nigeria won. Well worth it because their jollof rice is usually good. So there's
Big ups
that.
to all the countries.
All right. So, as you know, we are back from the Jollof Festival. And if you enjoyed seeing pieces of the festival, please make sure you hit the like button. Please tell me if you've had jollof rice before. If you're interested in trying it, leave that down below in the comment box or any questions you may have. And make sure you are subscribed. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, it is free for you to do so. And it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And make sure you share the video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And if you're interested in supporting my small business further, you can leave me a tip by hitting the thanks button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.